Moving on, we have a very, very important session right now, prize distribution for the poster presentation done and also oral presentations which were done. I invite Dr. Vineet and Dr. Deep for the prize distribution.
We had a very wonderful, closely fought oral paper presentation. 12 of the best papers submitted were analyzed rigorously by the judges. Let me have the pleasure of inviting Professor Jubin Jacob. He was one of the judges to judge the oral paper presentation. Do we have Dr. Belinda in the hall? Okay, Dr. Belinda was the other judge. We had Dr. Shiva Prasad with us for the oral paper. He is not here. We have Pankaj Patel from Rajkot judging us. He has already flown back, I think. And Dr. A.K. Ajmani sir, he was also kind enough to judge the session. Sir, please come on the stage for the declaration of the results and awarding the prizes.
I think we had very good presentations, 10 good presentations. And they were not just from endocrine or medicine, they came from community medicine, pediatrics, we had pharmacology based, we had 3 randomized control trials, lot of cohorts, so it was very difficult to judge. I'll ask Dr. Ajmani if he can give away the prize, announce the results. Give the third one first. So the third prize goes to Javed Bhatt. He did a randomized control trial on using metformin with vitamin D versus just metformin alone in polycystic ovary disease, and he found that it improves metabolic parameters and hyperandrogenism. The second best oral paper was Dr. Lovely Gupta. She's a PhD student who looked at carbohydrate counting in patients with type 1 and showed that it improved outcomes. I think we hope that this research will lead to a good carbohydrate counting program which we can use in India. And I think I'm very glad that the first prize winner is Dr. Hia Boro. Dr. Hia Boro looked at outcomes in vertebral bone density and vertebral fractures in patients with primary hyperparathyroidism. And I think this was a postgraduate thesis. So thank you once again for SPEED for inviting us to be judges.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now,
let us invite the judges for the poster session. We have Dr. Om Lakhani with us. We have Dr. Nishant Raizada with us. Thanks for taking nearly 4 hours it took to cover all the nearly 35-36 posters we had. We have Dr. Bindu Kulshresh, very kind of ma'am to judge the poster session. Do we have ma'am here in the hall?
and Dr. Chitra also.
And Dr. Chitra Selvan, thank you for coming all the way from Bangalore to judge the poster session. So we have had over to the judges. We have.
Thank you very much. I think we had a very good posters which were there. And it gives me great pleasure to announce the winner, the second runner-up. We have a joint prize between Aishwarya Sharma, poster number P10, and Himanshu Sharma, poster number P6. Both are not related, but both share the third prize. So I invite Dr. Nishan to give the prizes to Dr. Aishwarya and Dr. Himanshu. Both were so good that we had to give them both a joint prize. The second prize goes to Dr. Rini Yadav. She presented a poster on pseudo-hypoparathyroidism with a parathyroid adenoma, very rare case, but she presented also very well. So congratulations, Dr. Rini. And Dr. Nishant would give the first runner-up, the second prize to Rini Yadav. She is from Delhi, RML Hospital, Delhi. Yeah. Congratulations. And the first prize goes to a very well done clinical study by Dr. Anik Chakravarti with his mentor, Dr. Varun Kumar Arora. I invite Dr. Anik Chakravarti, the presenter, to take the first prize, poster number P23. I think anybody who is interested, they have done a community level intervention which all the judges believed could lead to sustained outcomes. It's a brilliant study and very well done, and it's a model which can be taken over in other places. So thank you. Dr. Anik and his team are from PGI Rohtak. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So
We are now breaking for lunch. We will start sharp at 2:30 p.m.
Very sorry, one very special mention for Dr. Kashvi Khatri. Kashvi Khatri, she's still not a doctor, she's a third-year medical student. She came here, beautifully presented. Unfortunately, we had only 3 prizes to give, 3.5, maybe more. But she presented very well. So, she will get a special mention and a certificate for her efforts. Thank you.
So this is a special prize to Dr. Kashvi. She has come all the way from Jipmer, Pondicherry to present her research work so nicely. Thank you so much.